Hello, my great and wonderful people. We welcome you once again to our today's episode of this program. And today, you get this video when it be say I want quickly review to una. Maybe majority of una if you don't see this video before now, or una never seen. It concern one chief officer. When it be say if they work for Nigeria embassy for Berlin. Yes, the reason why be say we want bring this video come not pass be say this one not the same way when it be say all the Nigeria ambassadors and those people when it be say that they work for embassy now their own ways of life. Waiting that they use Nigerians eye they see now it be this very one. Because all over the world, yes, I they say all over the world, the way when they say that they use Nigerians' eye, they see pepper, or because of say they want to do passport, not be saying that for free, even with their own money. All right, make a first of all leave una and make una watch this video. How this man, just because of say he get authority as a representative for Nigeria embassy, see wetin he dey do. We will come back for the conclusion.
Oh, there's nothing.
Your cup is full,
Are we
okay?
not friends?
You are not fair. Your cup is full. Your cup is full, Martin. Your cup is full. Your cup is full, Martin. Your cup is call the policeman. Your cup is full, okay? Your cup is full. Your cup is full. Come on. This is Martin.
This is
Hello. This is Martin. Martin, your cup is full. You want to call police? Move this one, Martin.
No.
Move this. Your cup is full, Martin. Your cup is full.
No.
Okay, I told you your cup is full. Your time is number. Your time is number. You are raping our girls. Your cup is number. You rejected this girl to enter inside embassy. You told her not to enter inside embassy. Your cup is full.
What do I do to her?
To go and do her passport. You rejected her because she come from me. She come from where? I have all the proof. Okay. Martin, no. Martin, no.
I didn't.
Martin, your cup is full.
Like the way somebody will talk to her.
Your cup is right. It's right. I can show you. I have the proof. I have the proof, okay? I'll show you the proof, okay? When time comes, you know the proof. Please call the police to enter inside. Arrange this man. Hello, call it. You will see. I will show you. You don't know who I am. You will show my ID card who I am, okay? I will show you ID card who I am. You never know who I am. Ask me, who will tell you who I am? Look it.
I say come.
Okay? No. Who will tell you who I am? You don't know. Don't go over. This anga do ane buku am ne ke faru anan Germany. She Martin yana look at yana mu so na she yana mu. Don't if you wear your coat I will deal with you. If you wear your coat I will deal with you. I'm telling you. Hello.
Excuse me.
What do you come here for? Do your work, please. Don't do your work. Please.
I'm just a witness. I'm witness.
You're witnessing. Okay. This is what Martin is doing. Our girls here. This is what Martin is doing. She's agreeing nothing. No, she agreed. She told you. She agreed nothing.
Excuse me.
She agreed nothing. She agreed nothing, Martin.
Please come.
She agreed nothing.
Please come.
She agreed nothing.
Do you agree?
She agreed nothing. She agreed nothing. Do you remember that you rejected her? And you go and told that woman that you downstairs that she's not capture her when you let her enter inside. I will have the proof. I will show you the proof. Don't worry.
The one that called me Samu, you
No.
myself.
Who is not around? Who is not around? Who is not around? Then who went out?
Ask me one.
Who is not around that day? We look record. We look record.
Yeah.
When Nigeria community, when Murwa is not around, I call Murwa, not you. I the one that called Murwa, not you. Ask. I am the one that called Murwa. No, ask Murwa.
Should I call him?
No, ask Murwa.
Should I call
Okay, hello man, I don't have a problem, okay? I'll be following you. I'll be following you all the way. Life on time, I'm following you, but anything you are doing, I'm following you, okay? You're not even ambassador. This matter is going to Nigeria direct, not even here, okay? Hello, I will slap you.
Please.
Don't, this is okay. Give me a second, please, go off, we're going to session. We're going to session. We're going to session.
Excuse me, please.
Don't put mouth, please.
Come.
You are only a backup. Don't put mouth. You are only a backup. You are only a backup.
No, please come.
You are only a backup.
I can hear you from here, no problem. Please.
Where your court? Please, can you give this girl her court before the...
I don't know, please. I don't know why my brother is doing that.
I'm not your brother.
Very close.
Truth.
Me?
Because I'm telling you the truth. Madam, okay, this appointment time they are making appointment must stop in Nigerian embassy because they use it to oppress our girls. They use it to do a lot of things. When a lot of people will come for testify, don't worry, they will come for testify. This is not proof I have for you.
Hello, Mr.
No, am I suffering anything, Joe? Am I suffering anything? No, you need anything. Give me your phone, please.
What do you want to do?
I want to make. I want to call the person to come. Give me a
Excuse
phone.
me. No. Well,
I fight for Nigeria. I fight for Nigeria.
Please. What's the name?
I don't even know her name.
Do you want me to? Do you want me to tell her name?
Like, why do you do
Do you want me to tell her name?
You know, let me tell you.
See, this I don't know. This man, I have been following you like for the first day, like from the following day.
Excuse me. Can I explain something? After all, there's another person here who is part of us who can listen.
No, he's not going to listen. You only come for witness.
Because you know this.
You only come for witness.
You know this thing is more or less like a kind of this thing. I want you to call her out here. If I'm ever.
And okay, you want her to talk?
I see her. Yeah. Please.
Okay, then when will this person she can talk as she can talk? We make on 20th. You are here on 20th on 8 o'clock. Before you were here, I was in the hotel.
I said which room?
You 52 room. Your room is 52. I'm in 51. You can let me tell you what else I'm doing. I'm intelligent more than you. You think you not even go to security this thing. See what I'm doing, our girls. Are you ashamed of yourself? You have a woman. You have a woman. The woman is no. It's not those her. It's not those her. It's not those her. Okay. Then Imo will be a witness because the other day Imo is saying she should come back. You said no. Who is Imo? I'm just talking to her on phone. I'm just calling her on phone. Okay. Do you know that? You want to talk more? You know. I'm the one. He paid my stacker, not my card. He paid with shit, not my card. He paid. So even that day, I called him more. You are telling him, Imo is someone. I will meet him now in South Embassy. Imo don't have the power. A whole senior officer. You are controlling him more for what? You are controlling him more for what? Why? Why are you controlling more?
Mr. Obina.
Okay.
Mr. Obina.
All right, my great and wonderful people. I believe say all of you don't watch that video. The reason why basically we carry this video we want to use this one just like an example to all the Nigeria ambassadors and all the representatives all over the world. You know, we think say as we come on for Nigeria soil, say our character and our behavior will change. Now my people always they talk and say, now for the belly of a snake, nine the child for carry poison. It not just come outside, come alive, come carry poison. No, it dey poisonous even when it still dey belly. This issue of Nigeria corruption, this our politician and our leader, they are corrupt way. It no will ever be something when it be say will feel washed away. You know why we talk like that? Very sorry. May I know say God will change somebody, but it will be very hard. Now who allow God make it change and now God will change? See the waiting chief security now in be this very one. Oh. This one now just the same way when it be say all those top oga take they molest our people, molest our guests, all because of say they want do their passport. They know they do one for them for free. Oh. No. And if you say a lie, if you did Nigeria now, call anybody, any of your person all over the world concerning Nigeria embassy, most especially, they will tell you their history. For example, like Italy, say you want to do passport for Italy, you will hear fire. Fire, what they say, fire, yes. You will pay money. As the kind way when they say, for Nigeria embassy now for Italy, there is no way, no how you will strongly show you say you will carry your phone, camera phone, enter inside. You know why? Because they don't want may you feel record anything when they say if they happen for inside. No way. Call anybody for Italy, make you ask them. There is no way when you be say you will carry your phone. Before you they pass gate, now number they will take carry your phone for your hand. Keep on until you they come outside, they will give you back. You know if you carry phone enter inside. Now there you will pay your money. You know how much you will pay when you be say you want to do passport for Nigeria passport for Italy. You will pay up to 300 to 400 euro. If case not taking 500 euro. That 500 euro is equivalent to 500,000 naira as present, as in 250,000 naira as present now. I say yes, as present now is it 250,000 naira? Yes, equivalent to 250 to 300,000 naira as present now. When they say you will use ordinary passport to your own country passport. But this one at the country when they say even the government of the land give Nigerian citizens got document free without no dime. They don't pay any dime. But for you to get your own country passport again, it will be like hell. Hell. And not be only that one that they tell you now, say, even though say you sit down close to embassy, you must pay another money for them to post your passport, can't give you. Tell me, wait till they post. See you see embassy, they say by force, by fire. Compulsory. Just imagine. So why would they talk all these things? Not past be say. She would they talk up the one when they say they did Nigeria. But see the one when they say they see the outside. They still know the policy of the country when they say they did. They see how those people they behave. You're not supposed make their character still change. They say if you dare Rome, you will behave like Roman. But you're not supposed to make the characters of all this one still change because of say they don't know where they did now. But they still carry those their dubious character from Nigeria, enter the foreign land, till they suppress the citizens when they say they still escape for this bondage of Nigeria. Come another place, they still they oppress them, or because of say they day for the seat of power again. You see the situation when they say with the face. So I don't know the kind way when they say yes, we will talk over the issues of Nigeria. We'll just say we'll look over them. It not be something when they say concern us again, because the more they break, the more that they do the worse. They do the worst. And apart from that, I just want to leave you now, make you now watch this next video. When it concern, I don't know what to be the authority, when they say who give them the authority to destroy this mall. People they inside, goods they inside. See as the carry bulldozer enter this mall, they destroy, and where people they shout, they cry up and down. Look, this one on the heart of Nigeria, the heart of leader. Watch another one again.
So, Amaka here, they did not even inform people that are upstairs, and they are demolishing the building, and a shop is open upstairs. They did not even inform us. Our life is in danger. Our life is in danger here.
Very, very unfair.
I know, this is really, really bad.
Employers are here working.
We are upstairs and they are demolishing downstairs. This is really terrible. This is really terrible. Thank God one of us just peeped from upstairs. Wallpaper was upstairs.
They said one order from above. See what Nigerians are doing. Is this our problem in this country?
This is really terrible. This is terrible. Our life is in danger. Our life is in danger. Our life is in danger. We have millions of products up there. Our life does not matter to this government.
This is injustice.
This is really terrible. Baby, I'm coming. I'm coming. This is wickedness! This is wickedness!
Let it kill him!
This is wickedness! This is wickedness!
All right, my great and wonderful people, shey una see another one again. This wickedness of our leaders, as in they become worse by day. It be like say the more the age they grow, the more that they become wicked. I don't understand. You want to tell us now, say you don't notify these people 1 or 2 or 3 times now, and these people still fill this building up like this, still they do their trading like this, where our security agents, when they're supposed to send, come evacuate these people, say, oh, we don't already mark this house for destruction, and now here is the time. People, they upstairs, they destroy the downstairs. It not concern you whether it collapse upon their head or not. Just imagine, I don't understand. Now, the kind of situation when they say with they face the one for Nigeria, will they face the one of foreign land? How want to manage, resolve this issue? Now, waiting, they beat our imagination by this one. Because if we continue to the reason, as in, if now only the house, now we'll say, okay, we're from us outside, solve and come. But as it there for house, now so it constantly they condemn for outside. With the battle the one when it their house, with the battle the one when it there outside. How? This one a question when they say I can't come, may we begin to ask ourselves, say how we want to solve this issue. Because if one leg good, now you say, okay, we'll use the other one to support. How, if the two come bad, how we want to work out this worker? All right, I will leave una make una share una opinion with us on the comment section. I beg, make you not forget as well to help us share this broadcast so that we fit still reach our brothers and sisters all over the world. And as you do so, God Almighty will richly bless you in Jesus' mighty name. Amen. All right, we would like to draw the conclusion of this program here. We will see you again when we see you. Remember, we love you all. Bye-bye.